In this video, we will talk about the top 5 budgeting apps in 2025. These apps can help you save money, manage your expenses, and plan for the future. They are simple to use and can make your life easier when it comes to handling your money. First, we will talk about an app called Mint. Mint has been a favorite for many years, and it is still going strong in 2025. Mint helps you track all your spending in one place. You can connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and even your bills. Mint will show you where your money is going and what you can do to save more. It will also remind you when your bills are due, so you never miss a payment. Mint gives you tips and helps you create budgets based on how you spend. You can see your monthly income and expenses, and get alerts if you are spending too much. This app is perfect for anyone who wants to understand their money better and make smarter choices every day. Next, we have an app called YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. YNAB is great if you want to take full control of your money. It teaches you to give every dollar a job. This means you plan what to do with your money before you even spend it. YNAB is different from other apps because it focuses more on planning ahead instead of just tracking your past spending. It helps you save for future expenses and build strong money habits over time. The app is very helpful if you want to break the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck. It may take some time to learn how to use it, but once you do, it can change the way you manage your money forever. The third app we will look at is Good Budget. This app uses the envelope system, but in a digital way. The envelope system is a method where you put money in different categories, like food, rent, or entertainment. With Good Budget, you do this on your phone. You decide how much money to put in each category, and try not to go over that amount. Good Budget is great for couples or families, because you can share the budget with someone else. It helps you stay on the same page and work together toward your goals. It is simple, clean, and easy to use, especially if you like to plan things in advance. Now let us talk about Pocket Guard. Pocket Guard is very helpful for people who want to stop spending more than they earn. The app looks at your income, your bills, and your savings goals. Then it tells you how much money is left for you to spend. This is called your save to spend number, and it helps you avoid going over budget. You can also track your subscriptions and cancel ones you do not use anymore. Pocket Guard is smart and automatic. It does most of the work for you, which saves you time and stress. If you are looking for a tool that gives you a clear picture of your money, this app is a great choice. The last app on our list is Monarch. Monarch is a newer app, but it has become popular fast. It was made by people who worked on other finance tools, so they understand what users need. Monarch helps you create a plan for your money that fits your life. You can set up goals, track your net worth, and see your full financial picture in one place. The app supports both individual users and couples, so it is flexible and powerful. You can also invite a financial advisor if you want someone to guide you. Monarch is great for people who are serious about their money and want a tool that grows with them. Now let us talk a little more about how to choose the best app for you. Each of these apps has its own style and features. Mint is best if you want something free and easy to use. YNAB is perfect if you want to build strong money habits and do detailed planning. Good Budget is great for people who like to plan their spending ahead of time. Pocket Guard is useful for those who want to avoid overspending and save time. Monarch is best for people who want a smart tool that can do many things in one place. When you pick an app, you should think about what you need. Are you trying to get out of debt? Are you saving for something big, like a house or a trip? Do you want to plan your money with your partner? Or do you just want to know where your money goes every month? Another thing to think about is how much time you want to spend on your budget. Some apps like YNAB need more time each week, but they give you more control. Other apps like Pocket Guard or Mint are more automatic and simple to use. Also think about how much you want to pay. Most of these apps have free versions, but some like YNAB and Monarch cost money. The paid versions usually have more features, so if you are serious about budgeting, it might be worth the cost. But if you just want to try something out, start with the free versions and see what works for you. No matter which app you choose, the most important thing is to be honest with yourself about your spending habits. It is okay to make mistakes. The goal is to learn and improve over time. These apps can help you do that. They give you the tools, but you have to use them. If you check in with your budget once a week, or even just a few times a month, you will start to see results. In 2025, managing your money does not have to be hard. There are tools that can help you stay on track and reach your goals. You just have to take the first step. Whether you use Mint, YNAB, Good Budget, Pocket Guard, or Monarch, each one has something valuable to offer. Thank you for watching this video.